Boom. Got another unboxing for you guys. So, as you might recall, I have these Dragon wheels, 93A, 56 millimeters. And I've been riding them for a long period of time, about 4 or 5 months. But today we have the new OJ dual durometer wheels. 95A in the middle of the core, 101A on the outside. And let's just get right into this unboxing. I'm gonna be doing it bare-handed, I guess. So let me just try to figure this out. Yeah, there we go. There it is. Pause this TV real quick. Okay. Let's crack this thing open. Right into the goods. Alrighty. Alright. It says Long Beach Skate Co. OJ Prototypes Double Duro White Mini Combo, 54 millimeters, 95A core, 101A outer. Boom. There we go. We have the 54 millimeters mini combo shape in the back. Let's see what we got going on here. Of course, we're gonna set them up immediately. So, if you don't know, I actually have OJ, what's it called? OJ Cruiser wheels over there on the other setup. It's the work cruiser. They are the street shape. Can't really think of the name right now, but they're really good. Give me to and from. These feel wild. Like, they don't feel like any other skate wheel I've felt. And I've had the 101 Spitfires. I've had these Dragon wheels, 93A, and just wheels these days are getting crazy. I saw the Bones X Formula 97A, and I was like, I would like to try those, but also I've also tried Spitfire 97A, which were really good, lasted a long time, but just, you know, classic shape. So now they have the conical full or the radial full, but they're just too big, 58 millimeters. And these Dragon wheels have been really good for me, 56 millimeter. But I'm just gonna put them on these slappy trucks. Let's see what we're dealing with. Dragon wheels are definitely one of the best wheels I've tried, and I have no complaints on them. They've lasted quite a long time for the streets, but let's see how some 101 outer with 95 inner works. Alrighty, let's get these on there. Graphic in for the first sessions, then after a while the shape, you flip them around. It's just what I do. It's my personal opinion. It's almost time for some new bearings, if I'm gonna be honest. Alright, one wheel down. Wheels, to me, I've been all over the spectrum, all different types of harnesses and shapes. Started off with a lot of smaller companies. Like, I used to ride girl wheels back in the day just because they were cheaper. I've had Spitfires back in the day, classics, which are good and all of that, but came across Bones STF once Bone wheels first came out, and just floated around STF, SPF, all that good stuff. Then a friend of mine told me about the Formula 4s, and being that I drag my 180s on the ground when I'm flat ground skating, I would get flat spots a lot. So the Formula 4s were definitely the game changer. And going to one of my local skate parks, I learned how to power slide front side and kind of got addicted to it. So I did flat spot wheels quite often just because power slides are fun, you know? Catching a leg cramp. 32 years old, cramping, falling apart at the seams. But let's give these OJs a test. Definitely gonna put them through the ringer. A heavy guy, so any power slides, any flat spots. Definitely not avid at the skate park anymore because Spitfire 101s used to be my go-to back in the day. Because power sliding on skate park ground is just really fun, especially with slick wheels. You go the distance. See what OJ's cooking up with these dual durometers. Because also, Spitfires used to do it back in the day. Hard rim in the middle with the classic formula on the outside. Remember that was a fashion trend, well, hopefully. Dual durometer wheels will come back into style. Maybe have like a 93A in the middle, dragon wheel, with like a Bones 97 on the outside. That would be pretty cool. Or even Spitfire doing a 99 inner or a 101 outer. Who knows? Open the door. It's open doors for opportunities nowadays. But I digress. Definitely gonna have to do a review of the Dragon wheels and do some side-by-side comparisons. In-depth review. Alright, let's finish up these wheels and I'll give you guys an update. Maybe go street skating one day and give them the full test. But a little greasy. Got some grease on the wheels, but these are white. Wow. That's pretty much it for the Dragon not the Dragon, Jesus. The OJ dual durometer wheel setup. They look pretty sweet. Catch you guys in the next video.